Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new Amazon unbagging. I'm super excited. So today as I'm recording this is June 19th, 2022. It's my birthday. I turned 58 years old today. Can you believe it? And I ordered this as part of my birthday gift to me from me, and I'm super excited. So, let's see if I can get this open. And as you can see, it's a diamond painting, but it's different from what I normally order because it's a big diamond painting. Look how many times it's folded over. Oh my god, I'm scared. Alright, let's pull out. Oh my gosh. Alright, so it comes with two of the regular kits with the green boats and the red wax and the pink pen. So there's two of those. And it comes with all of the baggies, and they're not pre-bagged. And this is a round drill diamond painting. So you can see there's a lot of blacks and blues and just a little wee bit of pink. There's a lot of darker colors. There's a little bit of green here. There's some more light blues in there. So, I think I'm going to have to roll it back the other way. So let me see if I can do that off camera. I'm really excited about this. I saw it on Amazon and I fell in love with it. And I thought, you know what? I haven't done a big one yet. Maybe this will be my first. So, let's see if I can do this. Oh my god, it's so big. It is so long. So, can you see? I've been in a fishy mood. So we've got the beautiful goldfish or koi fish, I can't quite tell, in the pond and the waterfall. And this is really big. It's, to me, this is like big. It's 40 by 80, you guys. So let me grab my glasses so I can see a little bit better. So I don't know what I did to my glasses, but they're too big for my head now. I think they need to be tightened or something. So this is item number Q0112. Here's the thumbnail. And I got this on Amazon from the Yalkin store. That's Y-A-L-K-I-N. Yalkin. Y-A-L-K-I-N. And I got this on sale for $21.99 Canadian with free shipping from Amazon Prime. It was on sale for 20% off or 19% off. It was regular $26.99. So I saved a little bit of money. And it's got a really big waterfall leading down into the pond or the lake. It looks to me like a little duck pond with the water lilies, or a koi pond, I guess. It's just beautiful. So I saw some reviews of this, and I saw one who did it, and they gave it good reviews, and it looked good. So I'm excited about this. Let's see how many colors. So I'm really shocked that there are only 24 colors for something this big. So this is almost like the normal size that I would do, only double. I mean, like, I do 40. I do 30 by 40 all the time. So this is 80 by 40. So to me, this is like, the 80 is like two 40s, right? So this is like, it's like doing two 40 by 40s, I guess. I've never done a 40 by 40. So I'm guessing this will take me 2 or 3 times longer to do than a normal diamond painting. But isn't it beautiful? I can't quite fit it all in because it's almost as long as my bed. But I love it. What if I put my pillow down just to give it some angle at the end? That might help. I don't think that helps at all, does it? No, because then you can't see the fish. So, it's so big, you guys. The pillow doesn't help. So what if I put it sideways? No. So let's take a look at the drill field. It looks nice and clear. So we've got a little bit of color in the fish and in the flowers of the water lilies and the bright, vibrant color of the water. And then there's some green in the forest, but everything else is like whites and grays, and I hope it will look as nice. I hope it will look as nice as it does in here, and I think it will, because here's all the colors that will be in the water. And there'll be a lot of lighter colors too. And there'll be a lot of darker colors for the rocks and the trees. But I think this is going to be beautiful. And what I was thinking was I can put this on the back of my door, like the door that faces inside my room. Unless my parents want it for for downstairs. But I don't know how much it would cost to frame something like this or how I would even go about it. But it's just beautiful. I am so excited. So this was my birthday gift from me to me, along with my kalimba. So those were the things that I bought for myself. Anyway, what do you guys think? Isn't it beautiful? I am so in love with this. I think it's gorgeous, and it's huge, and I'm scared to do it. So anyway, I ordered a lot of smaller diamond paintings than I normally do, like 30 by 30 size. They're not in yet. I guess they'll probably take a month to come in, so I might wait till August to do this. Or like maybe I'll start it and do it a little bit along, because in July we're doing Christmas in July, and like it's already June the 19th, so July's almost here. So I have to start doing my Christmas in July. So in July we'll be unbagging some Christmas paintings. So anyway, you guys, I guess maybe I'll just do this in dribs and drabs while I'm also doing Christmas in July if I can. But I think this is going to take me a very long time. All right, so have any of you guys done this? What do you think? Do you like it? I love it. I just think it's gorgeous. Thank you for spending time with me. I hope you liked it. If you did, please hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell. It really helps a lot. But most importantly of all, take care, stay safe, and happy diamond painting. Bye, guys.